Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna work with the Luminous non-stick hand extension gel from Born Pretty and make this gorgeous look that you see. So let's start the video. As always, I start with the gel base coat because I'm working with gel on my nails. I prepared my nails before that, removing cuticles and cleaning my nails and everything. I clean the edges with the wood stick if I messed up before curing my nails. So here is the Luminous non-stick hand extension nail gel that I received from Born Pretty. Non-stick gel are so easy to work with, but this time I'm using a brush and some nail liquid slip solution I got several months ago. Note that the non-stick hand extension gels are easy to manipulate. You may use them to create decoration on your nails or extended nails by just working with fingers. Here I am after I took some wet nail tool and make a little ball with my fingers, then put it on my nail. I'm going to do the same for all my nails before I jump to the next step. If you want to get this non-stick hand extension gel or any other products from the official website of Born Pretty, use my discount code appearing on the screen. Now I start laying out the gel on all my nail surface. On large area I use my finger, and all smaller ones I use the brush. The brush is soaked with the nail liquid. And make sure to get the smoothest surface you can. Last time I worked with the non-stick hand gel, I created small flowers. That was so fun and make me try something new this time, especially because it's luminous. So make sure after watching this video to tell me your opinion about this. Make sure that the surface of your nails is smooth, even the end of the nails. And by the way, it's a choice to not make my nails longer with this extension gel. I will extend only my thumb nail, which is broken, and you will see it next. I think I put too much on my ring nail. I just take some and continue to lay out the rest of the gel. And here comes my thumb. I broke it several days ago and I want it to be the same length of my other nails. I think the gel is not enough, so I add a little. Then extend over the nail as you can see. And when I finish, I cured it. Time to file this nail to get the same shape of my own nails. And now time for the top coat. I'm using the super top coat from Born Pretty. I applied top coat on my nails this time, and for the next video, which is the continuity of this one, I won't apply the top coat until I finish all my art on my nails. By the way, you may subscribe to not miss my next video. Personally, I love this super top coat from Burn Pretty because it gives a super shiny look to the nail and a super effect. Here is the final look. I hope you like it. Any questions, feel free to write them down in the comment section. All products are mentioned in the description box. Don't miss to like this video. Oh, look how shiny it is. Wait me the next video and take care of yourself and bye bye.